Whew. Hi everyone, my name is Chanel Smalls, and the time and topic that I chose was neglect. Today I will be demonstrating the technique of the self-compassion break. And self-compassion break is a component of healing, which is part of the EMDR, which is the process of treating trauma and working directly with negative thoughts and beliefs that plague trauma survivors. Uh, some people that can benefit from it are people who have experienced child abuse, neglect, divorce, a recent loss of a loved one, or even been a victim of a crime. And what self-compassion does is it helps you to get in tune with yourself, to be able to be the compassion that you may externally give out for someone else, a friend, a loved one, someone that's really close to you. You should be able to give that same compassion to yourself. And a lot of times people that deal with trauma of child abuse, neglect, or divorce, or any other trauma, they start to blame themselves, and they are very hard on themselves, and they tell themselves that it was their fault, they're damaged, they don't have no reason to live, and so what the self compassion break does is a technique that you can do once or twice a day. And sometimes it's challenging with somebody that is in a stressful situation. So if they can incorporate this at least once a week, it can help to build you up internally. Even those of us that are with school, work, and personal life, this is a technique that will help you to overcome some of those stressors that you may be dealing with on a daily basis. And what you'll do is repeat positive energy, positive words into yourself. You'll start internalizing that and decrease the negative words that you may be instilling within yourself. So I hope you all enjoy this. I'm always nervous when I do these video presentations, so please bear with me, and I look forward to hearing the feedback. Thank you.